What am I using in terms of my microphone? Your audio is so crisp. How did I get this crispy fried chicken style audio? I'm happy to tell you. I'm going to tell you literally every piece of gear that's involved with me having this crispy audio. So the microphone I'm using is the Shure MV7 microphone. I love this microphone. I'm in love with it. I want to marry it, and I literally use it all day as my primary microphone, other than on my podcasts. I keep my podcasts with my Procaster microphone. I think it has a better podcast sound, but this is the microphone right here. It is a Shure MV7, and what is really neat about this microphone is that it is an XLR microphone, and it is a USB microphone hybrid at the same time. And this microphone has onboard controls, as you can see here at the top, where you can change the mix between your what you hear in terms of monitoring and the volume and how in terms of how it plays back. So you can change your monitor mix in your own headphones. And let me just show you the back of it. It has both, as you can see right here, it has both an XLR and a USB jack, and it's got the headphone jack on the back.